National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Guernsey County, southeastern Coshocton County, Musqueam County, southwestern Tuscarawas County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Zanesville, or near Zanesville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour.
Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, Cambridge, New Comerstown, New Concord, Desville, West Lafayette, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Antrim, Philo. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 152 and 192. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 67.